It is. What are they doing?
He's fighting them.
Yeah, they're having babies, Alex.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
When are they supposed to come out?
He's stomping her. That's how they make babies.
When are the eggs gonna come out? I don't see.
They are gonna come out
When?
in a couple days. What's the matter, Alex? That's nature. It is. That's nature, Alex. It is.
They can't do it right here.
Why not?
Because.
Where do you want them to do it at?
Over there. Get off of her. Get off.
Alex, it's okay. That's nature. That's how they make babies.
No, it's not. I want to see. How can you prove it?
Watch.
Prove it.
Prove it. In a couple days, those. Whoa. In a couple days, Alex, they're gonna have babies. Don't you want little babies?
I want to have them for a pet.
You wanna have them for a pet? It's not killing her. It's... You see? Was that scary?